So we're done with recalling our career. Kung asan ta karon, both of you are there sa with Paula, and she is in her master's after the experience in construction project management. And architect Nicole is also doing her practice at firm and her business,
Correct.
diba? Mixed, mixed passion. So here
Yeah.
with the scope, so we're just going to recall based on SPP, Standards for Professional Practice. This is from the Architecture Act of 2004, as we have learned in our Prof. Prac class. But don't worry guys, dili ta mag-quiz. Ato lang is to show our viewers how broad the architecture practice is. And what we know is we just draw, we just make pretty floor plans, pretty buildings, and
Actually,
all. Very common.
magpasuko sa sir.
But if
Yung
we
malindahan mo.
look at the big picture of everything, so this is how comprehensive our services can go. Diba? So we have pre-design services. Let me just move these circles. Partial dragon fruit. And under that pre-design services, we have all these things with what we can do, what we can offer, diba?
Mhm.
We can offer space planning. What else? Here,
That's not
programming, research. You agree, guys?
sure, yeah.
Yeah,
Study.
right. And we also have regular design services, which is the most common one. Design build, diba? The traditional
Yeah,
architect,
yeah.
right? And then we also got specialized architectural services like sa interiors, most specific na landscape, what else? So it's here. And also, even post construction, I think other people have no idea an architect can also work after the construction. So,
Mhm.
the yep, admin here and within construction also. So, out of this broad scope, architects, just share to me one particular experience ba that you have tried out of this big scope that we have. You wanna start, architect Nicole?
Of course, ang regular design services, no, di man siya mawala. Unya, I've also did like an accessibility study. That side is tawag na po, feasible ba for my client. Like, nabasay, the long run, the foot traffic, kind of. And then also, I think I'm doing building maintenance or like as building admin kaya I'm now the resident architect for UA ba. There are a lot of projects naman involved, not just the kind of branch katong katong cave. I'm also handling the warehouse and like if ever like naalang you like for let's say na na pao ang signage. The architect may call dayon ang tawagon. Kaya na fine ang signage.
Wow, okay, okay.
Like, or Sean, na. I feel like asa ka ng planning carpet, ganon. So, yeah. And then, can you zoom out and in sa
Sure, sure.
the way? Uh,
Okay.
yeah. Oh, yeah, of course, there's project management. So, not a lot of people knew no nga. I've started sa UA as project manager, supervisor.
Mm,
So, really, yung sa like, kanang ako own project, yun, project manager ko at first.
okay.
Right. Well, like, you'd see sir, oh, right, detailed nga cash flow, and then payroll, and then, mm, I think I'm not sa for now, no? Yeah,
Project
what?
management.
Project
Yeah,
management.
management is here. Yeah. So, broad jud kayo ang sa project management, di
Separate,
ba?
separate things siya. Babon.
Yeah. So, grabe no,
So,
it's not just drawing, but you also did kato even the tiny detail, ikaw jud ang tawgon. Meaning, yeah, the client trusts you so much. That's why.
So, siguro, I could differentiate na nag-work ako ng private firm, design firm, and sa corporate setting. So, private firm, usually, of course, we got a bigger project, let's say, design ng, maybe, pwede ko naman siguro ito disclose, UP Cebu. And then, merong condo or hotel residential, something like related to that sa Makati. So, it's bigger project, most likely, nasa pre-design services like feasibility, procurement, aside from space management, consultation. Especially, I was working with an architect na may LEED license. So, I mean, more on, yung experience ko lang is, yun nga, nasa pre-design services nung nagwo-work lang ako sa private practitioner na design firm. But nung nagpunta ako sa corporate, doon na pumasok yung project management. Though, meron din silang pre-design and regular design na bidding. Oh, na-experience ko yun. Ako nagpa-bid, ako yung nagpa-sign ng contract documents, naging project definition phase. But, I'm heavy on construction because I would say mas maganda yung naging exposure ko. Not just knowing the details sa site, but more on coordinating sa owner, well, in my case, a brand, and then at the same time, sa suppliers, at the same time, sa contractors, and yung other contractors, let's say, may ibang contractor na gawa lang ng ilaw. May contractor na sa signage lang. May contractor na sa floor tiles lang. So, I mean, hindi lang kasi siya babagsak sa isang tao, isang contractor na GenCon. So, yes, more on project management sa construction. Ayun. Ano pa ba? Well, building admin. Siguro nung nagka-business ako kasi yung business is gumawa kami ng food court nung pandemic. Masyadong pakaway. May food court nung pandemic. Um, build, may, parang administration siya na sinong maglilinis. Yung maliliit. Kasi maliit na business lang naman. Maglilinis, maintenance, sa ilaw, sinong tatawagan pag naputulan ng kuryente. Or kasi open space eh. So, kailangan sino magkakapit. More on, ayun, yung maintenance, sinong busboy, gano'n. Ganun, maliit lang na detail. But, hindi siya architectural, papasok. But still, like, maintaining the whole space, the whole area. Yung like, dun siya papasok. Dun na siya nakaset up. Okay. Ayun, most construction.
Yeah, I think it still
Yeah,
belongs, diba, here with the building
that
maintenance.
bubble.
Yes,
So imagine, and even a small business, di ba, na ma-apply mo din naman siya. Even let's say grounds and landscaping supervision,
yeah.
parang pinaganda lang yun. Kailangan nyo na magtitrim ng grass. Parang kuya, wala tayong kailangan ng sunshade dito. Kuha mo kong payong. Hanap mo ako ng payong na malaki. Gawa mo ako ng canopy, di ba? So, though hindi siya papasok technically, but the knowledge that we gain from all construction services can be also applied yun nga sa small businesses lang.
Yeah.
That's interesting, yeah. So, it means na you're not really limited lang here, di ba? You both explored not just there, but also here, some different bubbles that we have.
Yeah.
And as you can see, di ba, you have mentioned food and business industry. If you can see, di ba, ang architecture is not limited to just architecture. That's it, residential. But yeah, we also, parang we have to be in correlation with other industries. So that's one, food and business, with the retail, commercial. So there's a lot.
Yeah, commercial project. Okay, having for after process na. Na leave you a complaint.
Right. Okay.
Yes, madami silang pa-follow up, no? Because
Mm.
operational wise, ang dami hindi pwedeng mipalpak, kumbaga. Unlike sa residential na architect, nangyari is sa tumulo yung tubig.
Lalo rin sa
It's not that kailangan siya ng
Mm-mm.
abrupt solution, but it can wait a little kasi okay, bisitahin ko yan. Tingnan ko yan. But sa retail, feeling ko parang ang hirap magkamali. Kasi
super.
tatawag din yung mga yan eh. As like what Nicole mentioned, kay Beniha nga. Arkitek ang carpet. Arkitek ang ilaw. So, tawag dayon sila.
Like, kanang like, dili ka open if wala pa ka sir. Ganon. And then,
No,
Architect Connie na lang.
yeah. Where were we?
Okay. Yeah,
Diba?
we were talking about, diba? Your insights, really. I really appreciate what you shared. That I hope our viewers will see that we're not limited to just these circles, but we're like hopping from this circle to another.
kanay range ka ng like, padung ka first year ba niya makakita ka ang video.
Kuan man sad ka ng ako experience like hopping into this industry or even enrolling myself in an architectural school. Marag ay maghimo akong for plan. I mean, I have the insights already na ganito nga gawin, interior design, ganito, but there's a lot of layers that's going on bago ka pa mo abot sa, what do you call this? Sa paggawa ng floor plan. At the same time, I feel like in background when it comes to, what do you call this? Handwriting, drawing, I feel like yes, necessary siya.
Mm-mm.
But I feel like this is way more important than that skill.
Yeah,
Especially
no.
ngayon na
Management.
oo.
Okay, the management skill. Okay, yes.
I mean, just to give a glimpse lang na, oo, arkitekto ka, magiging ganito ka, makapunta ka sa ganitong position if alam mo yung ganitong pagdadaanan. At saka, hindi lang naman, ay nga, ang pagiging architect is not just you as a design, I mean, you as an architectural design, but you should have the designer mindset na kaya mong mag-adapt in whatever design problem or building problem that there is. And let's say, ayun nga, magaling kang gumawa ng plano, but thinking about maintenance. Maintenance in a way, hindi lang naman yung tapping point mo na sa kuryente, sa tubig, or what, but think about the accessible ng client. Oo nga, architect, mabilis manilaw yung ganito kasi tutok sa araw. So, saan ako makakahanap ng placement ng tiles? Kung tiles man yun, yung cladding man yun. Yung paint is, what do you call this, is customized. San mo pa pina-customize? So, yung mga ganun details, di ba? Kailangan din siyang, kahit unahin yung skills na people skills, coordination skills, then the skills na mag-drawing. Kasi I feel like, oo ngayon, ang galing ko mag-drawing. Ang ganda ng sulat ka. Diretso yung line na ginagawa ko. But, ano na siya parang feeling ko ngayon, additional point na lang siya kung maalam kong magsulat talaga. Like, hello, like, our national, or no, not our national, but yung mga heroes natin na architects, like Frank Gehry, Zaha Hadid. They don't even draw very nicely as long as they have the vision. Para silang, ewan ko, paano ba sila kumuha ng ballpen? Kasi guri-guri lahat, di ba? Guri-guri lahat, di ba? Parang nakakabuisit pa yung sulat nila kaysa sa sulat ng mga doktor. Na, okay, si Frank Gehry gumawa nito.
The very that visionaries in more
Oo.
visionaries than ano.
I mean, that is a good skill, di ba? But somehow, yung gantong maintindihan nila yung bubble that they're getting in is more important that learning those skills, I would say.
Yeah,
Yeah.
siguro if padung ko first year kita for ni nga level, okay, wala dili na.
Undang taan ni or kay murag ka.
Na,
Undang ni oo. Laban na tang kuan katong feasibility studies or like conceptual design. Pero katawag ko ang dati classmate nga ang design all through or ang concept all throughout 1 year is that. Is that? Kaya nga no, unsay meaning? Oh, the shape, blah.
Yun kaya na si Yake. The other day, I was talking with DSM na driver. He said, yeah, about the katong classmates nga katong
Really?
ano na, kasi ni classmate architect na biya karon board.
Yeah. I mean, that's
So,
part of
there-
our journey.
Mm.
Yeah. We're
Oh, she has the vision. But parang hindi niya natutunan na how can I somehow translate this properly on the design problem. Let's say, isda yung concept niya, but ang project is restaurant. Ang project is, condominium. Diba? So parang, he likes the fish. Okay, nandun na yun. But yun nga, wala yung skill na ma-explain niya properly. Translate niya properly. Like,
right.
the form looks like a fish. Pero, parang
How would it make
walang
sense?
substance yung, oo.
Give no,
So-
I up exam ba?
But, maduklan taan niya ba?
I get it, guys. Yeah, of course. I mean, we're still young at that time, and
Oo, at that
our
time,
brain
of
cells
course.
are still not able to grasp manjod the sense of it as a whole. Diba?
Kapag
Oh.
I understand. Okay. Pero
Also,
like, it's fun to,
imagine-
it's fun to realize nga.
Imagine, pumasok tayo ng college ng 16 years old.
Right.
Wala tayong K-12, right?
Right.
So at that time, parang, for me, what I felt like, I need to have an abrupt decision na, shit, sorry for the word, but, or mag-architect ba ako? Magdodoktor? Or gap year? But gap year was not a big thing. Sa atin, di ba? Dapat,
Right.
alam mo na dapat kung ano yung gusto mo at that time. For me, okay, sige, architecture, it looks so fun, it looks so fancy. Sabi nila magkakapera ako pagka-grad. But where? Nasaan ang pera? Right. So, I mean,
Digo.
I'm sorry, hindi, ikaw na.
I'm sorry ha. Oh yeah, I recall pag 16, mata na first year.
Yes.
I recall na I said something for me pag 18 na so man ako. I think if karon ko decide og unsa akong kuhaon, makalisad ko ta.
Which is, I think, di ba sa K-12 students ngayon, mas, I'm not sure if it's true, but mas less yung percentage ng shifting into one program to another.
Yes.
O mas sakto,
Or no.
saktong assessment. Kita kay, di mo malain ang assessment sa kuha kay magmadar eh.
Really?
Oo, di mo naman tayo assessment test sa una. Ano sila magmadar eh. Sabi ko, wait. Alam ko si Lord. Pero Lord, hindi ako para sa kumbento.
Kasi yak gid ko ana ma'am. So Lord gid ko ana na for architect daw ko man. Kat wasa na exam
National Achievement Test. And kay, National Career Assessment.
Right. So it's just funny na we get to realize after how many years, diba? Maybe at that time pa, it's not so clear, man God. It's not so clear. Technology also, diba, it's not that well developed pa ang technology compared now. See, about architecture everywhere na dyan. We have our own stage pa na we're not sure. We're still figuring things out. As long as kato, that's why we brought up this kay we are facing these different challenges today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct.
Diba? We have career challenges because of that. Because before, like, oh, I didn't know an architect would do this. I didn't know an architect would do, diba? So, there's a lot of challenges that we've encountered because of that. I think the people who helped us, our mentors, they're also just trying to share what they also know. It's understandable. We're lucky pa rin, di ba? We get to realize that. Some people haven't realized that. So, it's good, guys. And thank you, guys. I really appreciate what you are saying, Sharon. Okay. Those lang. We just need to